What's going on, everybody? Welcome to my YouTube channel, Pyro Joe. I haven't made a video in a long time. Hope everybody is healthy and having a great start of the summer. Officially, fireworks season has kicked off for me yesterday. I'm heading to the shop now in New York, upstate New York. It's going to be a great time. We're trying to go for, I think it's going to be a world record. It's going to be 4,600 2.5 shells going off at once. It's going to be a big finale. We have 1,000 salutes, and how this came about was in New York State, all the fairs are canceled because of what's going on in the world. So there's 46 fairs that happen throughout the state of New York throughout the summer. So they're doing a virtual fair tonight, and for every fair we're shooting 100 shots. So 46 times 100 is 4,600, and I don't think this has ever been done before. I'm gonna go to the shop, record it, record some of these setup. We started setting up yesterday, and it came out pretty good. It started raining, so we had to cover everything up. I got home at 8 o'clock last night. It was decent weather throughout the day, and we've been working hard around the clock. So I'm heading there now. Finish setting up. I'll show pictures and videos of the setup and what we're gonna do, what we plan on doing. I hope they get some good videos tonight. I'm gonna have a couple GoPros going. I'm gonna have a camera going. Hopefully there's no blur, because you know how those cameras work with all the fireworks and all the flashes. It's gonna be crazy big. A lot of people will be watching it. We're hoping it's gonna be a virtual fair, so pretty neat. Never did this before. First show of the season. Technically, I did do New Year's Eve show. It was all cakes. I have video of that, never uploaded it yet, but my plan is to start uploading as much as I can now, get my channel going. It's kind of a side thing just for fun. A lot of fireworks shows are canceled this year, unfortunately, but you know, and then again, there probably will be a lot more smaller shows for like backyards and you know, birthday parties, that sort of thing, because people are going to start having the itch. But unfortunately, no fairs this year in New York, so this is going to top it off for everybody. So it's going to be pretty neat. So stay tuned. I will update you guys when we get to the shop, and hopefully interview the owner and some of the workers I work with, and get some cool footage for you guys. All right, I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, we're at the shoot site right now. Been setting up all day. It's very, very hot out. A little bit of rain earlier, not too bad. I'm gonna walk through, show you everything we got here. This has gotta be some sort of world record. It's 4,600 2.5 shells. We got some extra shells going up above those. Finale should be about an 8-minute show, just pure finale. We got a lot going on here. It's been a long day. So here we go. Here's the setup. I'm gonna go ahead and record it. Swing this around here. It took about 3 or 4 days to set up, because we just did it, you know, with our spare time. We didn't. Normally in the show, we'll get here early in the morning and then set up all day, but this is a big show. So let's go ahead and show what we got. So this is the beginning. Each side is mirrored, so whatever happens on this side happens all the way in that side. It is a big show. We got 2.5s, all 2.5s, palms, colors, regulars, all set up, all squibbed together. It's all tied in. Everything's gonna be remotely fired with the Cobra system. And then while these are going off, these are gonna be lit individually by remote, just like shoot up over top. I got some 4s and 5s fanned out. It's gonna look really nice. It's all part of the finale. These are all fanned. Then I got more up here. This is the right side of the show. Here's more shells. And we got your ending shells back here. Got a 10-inch, a couple 8s. Got some 6s right there. These are the end shells, all brocades. 2 8s and 1 10-inch. So all packed in there, ready to go. We got 1,000 salutes going off all at once. It's gonna start on that side, 2 positions. It's all gonna meet in the middle by the end. And it's gonna speed up, of course. This is the left side.
And then this is the other half of the left side matching the right side. And then of course you get the ones in the center. These are got palms and regulars. And that's it.
I can't believe he went to Tampa.
What do you think, Jeremy?
Oh my goodness, happy Memorial Day, guys. 3 days worth of work just slammed together. Over 4,600 shots and let it rip.
Let her rip. That's right. Let her rip, right, boys and ladies and James? All right. See y'all tonight.